Next, differences between actual and formal parameters. See, here there are some differences we are going to discuss now. The first difference, two columns I am making here, actual parameters and formal parameters. First point under actual parameters is the variables that are used in function call are known as actual parameters. It means, see, I told no, within the main function we call a function called add. Whatever the variables I am going to declare here, a comma b, so these a and b are known as actual parameters. Then what do you mean by formal parameters? The variables defined in the function header of the function definition are called as formal parameters. So in the previous example I shown no, double cube double n. So this is the formal parameters. If I take addition number example, int add int a comma b, or you can take x and y, not a problem. These two parameters are known as formal parameters. Next, under actual parameters, the actual parameters are used to send the values to the formal parameters. Here, the formal parameters receives the values from the actual parameters. It means actual parameters sends values to formal parameters. See, instead of a and b, I can send 10 and 20 also, not a problem. Directly we can send the values. What happens here? 10 is going to send to a and 20 send to b. It means here a receives 10 and b receives 20. This is one of the difference. Next, parameters are separated by comma operator. Here each parameter, actual parameters, if you are using 2, separate by comma. If you are using 3, 10 comma 20 comma 30. So like that you have to separate the parameters. Same thing here, parameters are going to be separated by comma operator. Then how these two are related in the sense, both actual and formal parameters should match with their type, it means data type, order and number of parameters used. So here both actual and formal parameters should match with their data type. What is that? Here the first example says that data type. So we are taking this one, data type, how it is going to match. Observe here, add a comma b is there. If I come to the formal parameters, int add float a float b. Here consider this a and b are integers, but here I am having floating point. So this is called mismatch of data type. Integers cannot be sent to floating point values. So it should match with their data type in the sense, if here int I am using, here also it should be int. If I am here taking floating point values, then only can take here float values. That is mismatch. Then order. See, what is the order I am taking? First a, second b. Here also it should be a and b or x and y. If I take ulta or reciprocal, like first b then a, this is the wrong order. Next, the number of parameters used. See how many parameters I am using in this? 2 parameters. Suppose if I use 3 parameters here, then it will be a mismatch in the number of parameters. A will be sent to here, B will be sent to here, but here C value is not there, so that this will be the mismatch, one of the mismatch. So I can say that these are all some basic differences between actual and formal parameters. Thank you.